Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make a fat burner detox drink. For this recipe, you'll be needing 2 large lemons and a medium-sized ginger. So I start by cutting the lemons into small slices. I washed the lemons off camera, so be sure to wash yours as well before slicing them, okay? I do same with the ginger. I also washed this one off camera guys, so be sure to wash yours before slicing, okay? After that, I put the sliced lemons in a saucepan and pour 1.5 liters of water over them. And then I bring to boil. This has been boiling for 5 minutes, and at this point I add the sliced ginger and boil for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I put off the fire and allow to cool down a bit before straining. This is what it looks like after straining, and I recommend that you drink this as it is. But if you can't handle a sharp taste, you can add a tablespoon of honey to it and enjoy. Another great way to enjoy this drink is by putting a slice of lemon into a teacup, followed by some slices of ginger, and then you brew with your favorite tea. You drink this first thing every morning, and remember to stay active during the day for best results. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.